Alright, so I got a Maytag washer. Complaint is it won't start. No lights, no nothing. So first thing we're gonna do is check, make sure there's power. Alright, so I'm just gonna check with our voltage stick here, and we do have power. So we'll go ahead and unplug it, try and reset it. Unplug it. We're gonna press some buttons here to make sure it's reset, power's drained out. Take a screwdriver or something, short out the terminals there, give it a good reset because it holds some capacitance on the board there. We'll go ahead and plug it back in. On these washers, after you plug it back in, you have to give it a couple seconds. It won't let you do anything. So you'll actually hear 2 clicks come out of the board after you plug it in, and then at that point it's ready to accept button presses and things. So didn't get the 2 clicks. Nothing here is working, nothing's lighting up. Won't go into the diagnostic mode. So we're going to open it up here and take a look. This one has 2 1/4-inch screws at the back that go into the console. So we'll get those out. And then there's going to be 2 metal tabs underneath the ends of the console here. We'll have to depress. Use a putty knife here. Push in on those tabs and lift up. Now we can slide the console forward. Alright, so the board does have the green LED here. That's indicating that it is getting voltage. A lot of times when the board's bad, you won't have that green light that's on. So at this point, we will check for proper voltage. Here's where our power cord comes in and then plugs into the board. So this is our incoming 120 to the board. We're going to check and verify we got the proper voltage. Alright, so there's 120, and then from the neutral to ground we should have 0, and then from the hot to the ground we should have 120. So I'm not sure which one this is. We'll check this one to ground. There is 0, so that should be our neutral, and then switch it over to the other one, and there's our 120. So we can verify that that's properly polarized here at the outlet. So your hot is always a small on the right hand side here, so we can just check to see that that one is our hot, or this should be our hot. So it should have 120 to ground here, which we do, and nothing from neutral to ground. So at that point, power into the board. Board's not responding to anything. It's going to be a bad control board. Even though we have the green light indicating that it's receiving voltage and everything there should be good, the board's going to be faulty.